All right, guys. Hey, Jeff Ryan here. I'm excited about this. I finally got some wet sandpaper. It's been literally years since I got it. Had any. And this Thunderbird had on the hood and on the trunk some scratches. I started getting them out last week. I'm going to attack it a little bit more today just for fun. And the wet sandpaper I got 600 grit. I got 1,000, and I also have a 1,500. So I'm going to be using that to see if we can do a little bit better on the trunk and the hood with that T-Bird. Oh, hey, while I'm thinking about it, thank you for hanging in there with me with my recent post about the shorts, as they call them on YouTube, the shorts video. I had some new software. I was just eager to try it out. So thank you guys for supporting that as much as you did. It was a new venture for me. I might do some more in the future. We'll see. But again, thank you guys. I was just fiddling with the sandpaper there a bit. I've got plenty of sandpaper. I got the 600, 1,000, 1,500. I'm going to start on the trunk first and see how it comes out. I don't know how long it's going to take, but I'm going to get after it right now. All right, good. Just seriously, just a few minutes getting after it there. Most of the dings are gone. I still have to get after the hood there, and I'm not done with the back there, but this is a 600. Most of the things are gone, and I have not used any liquid. Now, what I want to do is I want to use the VRP, so not only am I going to be doing the wet sanding with the higher grains here, but it'll be like a wet sanding and a polishing at the same time, you know what? So I'm going to grab the VRP, get that out here, shake it up real good. We're going to need it. All right, as far as the 600 grit sandpaper, I've got the trunk done. Looks pretty good. I'm going to maybe just go after a little bit. And as far as the hood goes, I think I'm where I'm at to where I can increase the grit. Got the VRP out, pardon me. And that stuff, if you haven't got it, the vinyl rubber plastic by the chemical guys, give it a shot. This will be the first time I'm going to use it for wet sanding. I can't see why it wouldn't work great, because you're going to be sanding 1,000, 1,500 and using a polishing compound. I bet you it's going to come out real good. All right, guys, let me go and shake this up, and we'll get started. All right, I just splooged a little bit of the VRP on there, and I've got the, the 1,000 grit, so I'm going to go ahead and just work it in, see what we get. Okay, the VRP is still on there. I've been sanding with the 1,000 grit. I'm going to add a little bit of more of the VRP to the trunk and the hood there and see if I can just smooth that a little bit more. Fantastic. Okay, good. I think I'm done with the 1,500 grit paper there. I know there's a lot of residuals of the VRP on there. I'm going to take it to the sink and wash it up real quick. Let me go ahead and do that. Okay, it looks like all the high points are down on the hood and the trunk there. Let me go ahead and get my sanding wheel out there, maybe a little bit more buffing wheel. Let me get the buffing wheel out there. Yeah, we're gonna sand it down with a grinder, right? Let me get my buffing wheel. Might need a little bit more VRP. Here we go. Just got done buffing it out. I think I said in an earlier video, these are the 3 bits that I use with the Dremel. One was the wire brush. That really helped. Then there's a bristle brush. Then there's the polishing brush. And looks like it came out really, really good. Look at the trunk, look at the hood. Is it 100%? Nah. Really good? Oh God, yeah. Now, I just had a thought in between takes here. This, with the body, with the bumpers, with the driver and everything, I might do this on eBay as a kit. You know, who knows? Who knows? Or I might assemble it now and put it to my collection. I don't know. We'll see. I tell you what, I just pieced everything together. Look at the front bumper now, the windshield, the guy, rear bumper. Nothing's glued in. This is all just pieced together. I'm seriously thinking about putting that up on eBay as a kit, unless I scrounge up a chassis or something, which I might. I might have enough spare parts for that. Just a quick update since I started the project. I did end up gluing everything in, but then I was realizing that the back taillights haven't been painted yet. You know, they're chrome, they're great, but they haven't been painted yet. I've done this in other videos. I got this little PVC pipe. It's made by Evergreen, and I use these little pipes for like screw post replacements, things like that. But this one particularly, you can see how the tip is red. And I sanded it down during one of my last videos to make it fit inside the hole right here. So what you do is you dip this into some red paint. I'll be getting some red paint from the stick there. You just dip it in, and then you just, you know, spin it around a little bit, then it'll perfectly paint that circle for you. Let me go ahead and get that paint out. Okay, I've just been pushing down on the tip there, and I got a nice little puddle. So next is literally just stick the tip into the wet paint. That's all you need to do. Let's see if I can do this on camera. What do you think, guys? Perfect little circle. Perfect little circle. That's how you do it right there. See if I can do the other one. Fantastic. That'll look a little bit better when it dries, but that's how you get it on, guys. Hey guys, real quick, breaking news. I just want to give you a heads up. This is the week that the Pink Willies is going up on eBay, guys. This isn't rare, it's not ultra rare. This is legendary. There's only 3 that I know of. This is one of them. This is one of them, guys. It'll be going up. God, it's in great shape. It's in absolutely wonderful shape. It'll be going up this weekend, guys. Keep looking for it. All right, guys, I'm going to end the video off here. My book, it's on Amazon.com. I've been getting some great reviews. I keep saying that because it is true. Love it. You guys like it. Now, this one over here about the Pro Creations, I can't say enough about that trailer that I got from them. That trailer is fun. If you want to get a trailer to pull behind just about any T-Jet, do it. Those guys are awesome. All right, I am here for you. Let me know if you need anything. And once again, I think that this came out really good. See ya.